All right, today we are going to talk about my second failed Amazon product. So if you guys have watched my first Amazon failed product, you will see that I was in the pet niche and I was selling bark deterrents, which if you do not know what that is, I did not either before I started selling them. And what it is, it's a little electric box that emits silent signals that only dogs can hear, and dogs will want to stop barking once they hear those signals. And as you very well must know by now, that obviously failed. And because the product just did not work for all dogs. And yeah, so the product, I mean, I had some people buy it and say it's not working because, well, you don't know if it's working because only dogs know if they can hear it. So anyhow, I bought that for $12.95, around that dollar mark, and then I sold it on Amazon for around $30. And when I finally got rid of them all, I was selling them for about $10 each, and they went like that. So when I did clearance them out, people wanted them, but anyhow, I got rid of them. Then, since I was in the pet niche, I decided to move on to this product. And this product is a, what do you call it? A collar, so that when your dog barks, it shocks them. And you know, they sell really well on Amazon, and that's why I started doing that, because I was in the pet niche and I thought it was a good idea. And basically, the product that I was selling, I thought I would differentiate by having pink. And yeah, I got some pretty bad reviews on them, and I ended up buying each one for, I believe, $6 from China. And then I tried to sell them for around $20, and then eventually I did clearance them out for about $5. And I remember this was about 5 years ago now, for 4 or 5 years ago now. And I do remember one time looking at my Seller Central app and someone bought 10 of them. I was like, wow, this is awesome. And I think they were selling them in their veterinary clinic, is what my guess is, just because they were so cheap and they could turn around and make a profit. So yeah, so that is what my second failed product was. And the reason why this product failed is because there was so many better alternatives on Amazon. I pretty much went with the cheapest I could find on Alibaba, which that means the quality was not up to par, and there was so many different of these shock collars on Amazon that were performing so well, making $500,000 per month, and I wanted a little bit of that. But yeah, so anyhow, I did sell them, but because I clearanced them out so low that people are like, oh, I want those because they're such a good deal. And as for reviews, I did get some bad reviews because they'd show up, they would not work, they would fall apart, and things of that nature. And yeah, so that is my second failed product. And don't worry, I do have some more failed product to show you guys. That will be for the next video. And spoiler alert, this was my final pet product niche product, because after these failed products, I did leave the pet niche to something else. Also, with the shock collar, I did want to do variations, so I wound up doing the shock collar in 3 colors, silver, gold, and pink, like a rose gold pink that was really pretty, and that's what I thought my variation could be. That's how I thought I could stand out of the crowd. And I mean, it did work, but just the product was not up to par. So anyhow, that is my second failed product, and keep on watching for my third failed product and what my new niche was. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.